morning. I just finished editing yesterday's Vlogmas. It was a really busy, fun day, and we did eat out twice. So I'm just feeling a little off today because of that. So I'm just going to put put the filling for our vegetable pot pie in the slow cooker today, because I don't really feel like doing much in the way of cooking today, though Adam did request peanut butter blossoms, and since it's Sunday, second Advent Sunday, I had thought that this year I would make cookies with the kids every Sunday for Advent, so I'm gonna do that. Will has asked for waffles this morning. Normally they would have bacon with the waffles, but I don't have bacon and I don't feel like going to the store. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy yesterday's Vlogmas when it goes up. So I have been seeing so many people working on their crochet scrappy blankets, and I have had one going for several years now, and I've decided to make a new magic knot ball, or cake actually, with my new Christmas present in this big box over here. And I decided that I would be a little more choosy about the minis that I put into it. I usually just kind of go with the flow, whatever I have near me I put in, but I was feeling like some pastels, kind of everything revolved around this color that I used for our Christmas socks last year. So I'm gonna get that caked up while the kids eat breakfast. Back in my studio really quickly to print off the pattern that I mentioned a couple days ago by Kay Litton, the Gypsy Soul pattern, so that I can get started on the leg of the sock. And I am printing labels. I am sending what didn't sell at the market to the Christmas shop the PTO hosts for the kids' school. So I'm just marking everything way down, putting new labels on it and sending it and hoping the kids like it. I hope that a few of them get something that they're really excited about.
chocolate chip cookies. Then do this, pull it down, then you do that, then you do it around, and you pop it out.
Good job.
And if it's sticking there, you just get it out.
Oh, wow, buddy. You're
Now
really
just-
good at that.
You need to.
Your brother, to whom you sold into slavery in Egypt. But don't be upset, and don't be angry with yourselves for selling me in the first place. It was God who sent me here ahead of you to prepare your lives. The family was running out of things to eat, and his brothers came to Egypt to buy food. Joseph's brother.
I do the ladder with the cloud.
It is much later in the evening. It's about 7 o'clock. We just laid the kids down, and I am just now sitting down to wind the minis that I mentioned this morning, I think. So I'm gonna do that and then spend the rest of the night knitting or crocheting and watching Vlogmas.